Have you ever wondered why Tesla stock is priced the way it is? This question might have crossed your mind more than once, especially given the current price level of Tesla stock. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and discuss Tesla as a company. Known for its groundbreaking electric vehicles, Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry and continues to innovate with products like solar energy solutions and high-performance battery technology. It's a company that's not just about cars, but about a sustainable future. This video aims to break down the fundamentals of Tesla stock, to provide a clear and comprehensive understanding of its value. From key financial metrics to the company's strategic vision, we'll explore the factors that influence Tesla's stock price. Now that we have a basic understanding of Tesla, let's delve deeper into the fundamentals of its stock. To give you a real-time perspective, the current price of Tesla stock is $147 at the moment of recording this video. Let's take a look at some key market data for Tesla. The current price of Tesla's stock, as mentioned before, is $147. But what does this number mean? To give you a perspective, the market capitalization of Tesla, which is essentially the total value of all its shares of stock, is in the range of hundreds of billions of dollars, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Now, let's take a step back and observe the historical performance of Tesla's stock. Over the past decade, Tesla's stock has seen a phenomenal rise. From being a fairly unknown entity in the stock market, Tesla's stock has skyrocketed, providing massive returns to its investors. This meteoric rise has been fueled by Tesla's innovative products, visionary leadership, and an overall bullish sentiment towards electric vehicles. To provide an even more holistic view, let's consider the analyst ratings and future price targets. Analysts play a critical role in the stock market. They analyze a company's fundamentals, industry trends, and other factors to provide a rating on the stock. For Tesla, the analyst ratings are mixed. Some analysts are bullish on the stock, citing the company's leadership position in the electric vehicle market and its potential for future growth. On the other hand, some analysts are cautious, pointing to the high valuation of the stock and the increasing competition in the market. The future price targets for Tesla's stock also vary, reflecting the differing views of analysts. This market data provides a snapshot of Tesla's financial standing in the stock market. It helps investors make informed decisions and forms the basis for understanding the fundamentals of Tesla's stock, which we will delve into in the next scene. Tesla's stock price isn't just a figment of imagination, but a reflection of several fundamental factors. When we talk about the fundamentals of Tesla's stock, we're talking about the aspects that directly impact its price. These can be as straightforward as Tesla's revenue and earnings, or more complex like future growth projections and market competition. To begin with, let's take a look at Tesla's revenue and earnings. These are the bread and butter of any company's fundamentals. Revenue refers to the total amount of money the company brings in from its operations, while earnings are what's left after all expenses are deducted. For Tesla, these numbers have been consistently growing over the past few years, indicating a healthy and thriving business. But it's not enough to just look at the past. Investors also consider future growth projections. These are estimates of how much the company's revenue and earnings could grow in the future. For Tesla, these projections are quite optimistic due to the growing demand for electric vehicles and Tesla's ongoing efforts to expand its production capacity. Moving on, we have market competition. This refers to the other players in the market that Tesla is competing against. While Tesla is the undisputed leader in the electric vehicle market right now, competition is heating up with traditional automakers like Ford and General Motors, as well as newcomers like Rivian, all vying for a piece of the pie. This competitive landscape could affect Tesla's future growth and, by extension, its stock price. Lastly, these fundamental factors are not just isolated data points. They are intertwined in complex ways and are used by investors to evaluate the stock's price. For instance, Tesla's rising revenues and future growth projections could justify a higher stock price, while increasing market competition could exert downward pressure. Having understood these fundamental factors, we now move on to why Tesla's stock could potentially be a good investment. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a tech company that's revolutionizing the automotive industry. Digging into why Tesla stock is a promising investment, we must first acknowledge Tesla's leadership in electric vehicle technology. With the world increasingly shifting towards renewable energy, Tesla's position as a pioneer in electric vehicle technology cannot be negated. They were the first to prove that electric cars could be powerful, luxurious, and most importantly, appealing. This has provided them a significant competitive advantage in the market, as they continue to innovate and redefine the capabilities of electric vehicles. One noteworthy aspect of Tesla is its consistent innovation. Their dominance in the electric vehicle market is well established, and their potential for expansion into other areas of sustainable technology makes them a promising long-term investment. Moving forward, let's focus on Tesla's ambitious growth plans. Tesla is not a company that rests on its laurels. They are continuously expanding, with new factories and facilities cropping up globally. From the Gigafactory in Texas to the planned expansion in China, Tesla is determined to increase their production capacity to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. This relentless pursuit of growth is a clear indicator of Tesla's potential for future profitability, a positive sign for investors. Beyond this, Tesla's stock has shown resilience in volatile market conditions, indicating its potential for steady growth over the long term. Furthermore, Tesla's potential for future profitability is not confined to car production. The company's diverse range of products and services, including energy storage and solar power solutions, offers multiple revenue streams. This diversification not only reduces the company's risk, but also increases its potential for growth. Lastly, we consider the future of transportation and energy. As nations around the world commit to reducing their carbon footprints, the demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions is set to skyrocket. Tesla, with its technologically advanced electric vehicles and energy solutions, is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. In conclusion, the reasons to invest in Tesla are compelling. Its leadership in electric vehicle technology, ambitious growth plans, consistent innovation, market dominance, potential for future profitability, and position in the future of energy and transportation make it a promising prospect for investors. While investing always comes with risks, Tesla's stock holds significant potential for growth. We discussed the fundamentals of Tesla's stock and why it could be a good investment. Let's revisit the key points that make Tesla's stock an intriguing prospect. As a pioneer in the electric vehicle industry, Tesla has set the pace for innovation in this space. Their commitment to sustainable energy solutions, combined with their impressive product range, has placed them at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. We also highlighted Tesla's robust financial performance. Despite the economic turbulence we've seen in the past few years, Tesla has shown resilience, with consistent revenue growth and a positive net income. This financial strength underpins the stability of Tesla's stock and its potential for future growth. We then delved into the factors influencing Tesla's stock price. Key among these are the company's future growth prospects, driven by their ambitious expansion plans and the burgeoning demand for electric vehicles. Tesla's technological prowess, particularly in self-driving technology, is another significant factor, with the potential to disrupt not just the auto industry, but the entire transportation sector. Beyond these, we discussed the risks associated with investing in Tesla. Like any investment, Tesla's stock carries some level of risk. This includes competition from other auto manufacturers, regulatory challenges, and the inherent volatility of the stock market. However, a careful analysis of these risks against the potential rewards suggests that Tesla's stock could be a worthwhile investment. We concluded by emphasizing that investing in any stock should be based on careful analysis and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. It's not about jumping on the latest trend, but about making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. As the future of transportation unfolds, Tesla's stock holds the potential to be a rewarding investment. So, will you be on board for this exciting journey? This will be my first video to the channel, and we will also go to earnings of Tesla, which are April 23rd.